Hi, this is Bob with Gibbs RV, and today we're looking at a 2015 Forest River Stealth Toy Hauler. Model 2612, has the outside kitchen. You see the front here, it's got the big Stealth badge right on the front. Batteries, power jack. It's got this like a rhino type coating up here to protect from rock chips. The frame, nice blacked out. This unit was a unit that we put a brand new floor in, and it's real plywood, so this is better than it was brand new. And brand new, they have a particle type board called strand board. This is real plywood, so it's going to last a lot longer than your average trailer, that's for sure. It's got the outside kitchen with the refrigerator. We got the sink, barbecue. There's storage for pantry items, and this locks up too, so you can see here we got the gas bib for our barbecue. Outside power awning, outside speakers, keyless entry, has the Arctic package, stainless steel fasteners instead of the plastic ones that always seem to break. You'll find them out here in the parking lots. Alloy wheels, aluminum fender skirts. Ramp is down. Notice it has the rounded corners on the ramp. Anti-ankle biters. When you walk by, you don't ding your ankle on one of those, make you howl. Fuel station. All the decals, everything's just primo on this thing. There's locking outside storage. There's, well, actually that's just our generator, 4,000 watt generator. Our storage is going to be the one up ahead here. I'll bet. Yeah, there's storage compartment. So stabilizer jacks, dry camping's no problem. These also have some solar on them too, I believe. We sold these brand new, so pretty familiar with the Stealth product. Walk up inside. It's got the rubberized floor with tie downs, cocktail tables, the Stealth embroidered chairs. There's the other table. Here's the little cocktail table. The sofa that folds up against the wall, and it also has the power sofa that makes into a bed, and above it the queen power bed. So lots of sleeping capacity, lots of storage. There's overhead storage, you know, helmets, that kind of thing. You always have riding gear with one of these. It's got the AM FM CD player, control panel. There's a fuel gauge, hours on the generator. I don't know, it says 0.8. I guess that's correct. It's pretty low. Jensen TV up in the corner. Got a pile subwoofer here at the bottom. Kitchen, stainless steel appliances. 3-burner stove, does not appear to have been lit, or if it was, very lightly used. Knife rack built right in. Stainless fan exhaust, stainless microwave, pantry storage, hidden hinges. Sink, single station sink with the cutting board covers on the top. I like these handles. If your hands are wet, just grab those. Good to go. Notice it is plywood, ball bearing roller guides. Refrigerator, it's also got a brushed aluminum or stainless fascia on it. The bathroom is right across the hall. We got a foot flush toilet, our shower stall with a power exhaust vent. There's a sink right here in the hallway with a medicine cabinet, storage underneath, and then a queen bed. Remember, our kitchen's out here. There's wardrobe storage here, storage overhead, reading lights built in, a little bit of storage over here in the corner, plus a spot for an additional TV if you like. So better than new 2015 Stealth 2612 right here at Gibbs RV in Coos Bay. 1-800-824-4388. See us on the web at www.gibbsrv.com. That's GIBSRV.com in Coos Bay.